Here's a quick tour of the Planning Optimizer in AnalyticsAI. The Planning Optimizer is an engagement setup document designed to help you automate your AnalyticsAI workflow. This is the first document you'll complete in an AnalyticsAI engagement. Selections made here will tailor the list of documents shown on the Documents page, and some procedures within those documents, to exclude unnecessary documents from the engagement. You can view a list of the current documents in the engagement by selecting the Documents icon. A panel opens on the right side showing the available documents grouped by phases in the engagement: planning, risk assessment, and conclusion. Guidance information is available throughout the optimizer. You can use the light bulb icons found beside procedures, or for more general information, see the Guidance tab. Watch our next video to learn how to import data from Caseware working papers. Thanks for watching.